And after resigning from Congress, ex-minister Phumzathang Tonsing to contest polls on NPP tickets. Good evening and welcome to ISTV English News. This is Suraj Kongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Congress Legislature Party CLP has resolved to declare the United Naga Council UNC, which has been enforcing economic blockade on the national highways in Manipur for nearly 100 days now, as an unlawful organization. A resolution has been taken in this regard at a meeting of the CLP held at the conference hall of the Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Following the resolution, Chief Minister O. Ibobi has written to the Union Minister of Home Affairs to give consent to the recommendation and also to take up necessary action. Announcing this at a press conference held at Congress Bhavan, spokesperson of MPCC KH Joy Kisan told media persons that the CLP discussed for nearly 1 hour the indefinite economic blockade imposed by the UNC on the national highways of Manipur and series of unlawful activities, including attack on convoys of goods, trucks and burning of trucks at various places carried out by the UNC. Many drivers have been injured when they were shot at by unknown armed persons during the blockade. Thus, there is no reason why the UNC should not be considered as an armed organization indulging in unlawful activities and why its activities should not be banned in the state, Joy Kisan further said. The resolution was adopted after a thorough and careful deliberation, keeping in view safety of people's life and properties from the hands of the most unruly organization, which has forced the people of Manipur to face extreme suffering. Joy Kisan said an appeal to all sections of the people to lend support to the step taken by the government. He expressed confidence that as the BJP Manipur Pradesh has time and again assured that it would extend full cooperation to efforts in getting the economic blockade lifted, and that the NDA government at the center is also expected to support the state government's step, as it has repeatedly made it public that it would provide all possible help to end the economic blockade. He further appealed to BJP Manipur Pradesh to help in putting pressure on the center irrespective of political differences, replying to a question on the delay and recommending unlawful tag for the UNC, Joy Kisan said. As the tripartite talk was being arranged with the center as the host, it was thought that an amicable solution would be found, otherwise it could have been done much earlier, he said.
UNC organization asi aina yadabani hana Lautung Central Component Tamzeriba, Hajeriwa Pomase, Masida, BJP Manipur Pradesh, Sogat Piu Haidna, Appeal Tokjeri.
In a sudden twist to the ever continuing political party, hopping train just 3 or 4 weeks ahead of the day, the polling in Manipur's senior Congress leader and ex-minister Phumzathang Tonsing has resigned from the primary membership of Congress and joined the National People's Party today. Langbam Robert, who tried to get BJP ticket in Singzamai Assembly constituency but could not get, has also joined NPP. The party extended a warm welcome to both senior and junior members at a reception held at Classic Ground, Chingmarong. National President of NPP Conrad K. Sangma, National Secretary Vivek Raj Wangkhem and many party leaders attended the function. Conrad K. Sangma said, with the joining of the 2 new members, the party has been strengthened. The party will contest the election to the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly with the pledge to solve different issues of Northeast and focus mostly on development of Manipur. Candidates will announce after an agreement with the Left and Democratic Front. It is high time change was brought to solve the prevailing situation in Manipur, he added.
Objective of providing an alternative in the state of Manipur. The party is talking and discussing with a number of political parties, and I'm happy to announce that we will be having a political understanding between the NPP and the Left Democratic Front of Manipur.
New member of NPP senior Congress leader Phumzathang Tonsing said Changing party is not a big issue, but to contest the election on the ticket of a party which people have no objection to is more important. He has no grudge against any individual or any party, but he resigned from Congress and joined National People's Party due to strong pressure from his workers of Churachandpur.
Party suy kana su chi roi adubu kana na kri tawe abisu na khoi loi khane pakhai jing ba ni Manipur ki bacha ni ngarang kana na kri tawe kana na ngarang hangam chai kana na alu chai phau khang na bangak ta ni adu na hosi ki Congress na kri oi ati party na karam tawe abisu loi na khang bangak ta ni.
Meanwhile, after the first list of 12 NPP candidates had been announced, the second list of 8 candidates of NPP was announced today. The candidates are Vivek Raj Wangkhem of Katrigao Assembly Constituency, Phungzathang Tongsing of Churachandpur, Ledzamang Haukip of Henglep, Henlian Thang Thanglet of Singhat, Ngursangler Sanati of Tipaimuk, Abib Ali of Zuribam, T. Nengzakham of Thanlon, and N.Z. Robert of Singzame Assembly Constituency. On the other hand, National General Secretary North is in charge of Lok Jan Shakti Party. Karam Syam today announced names of 5 candidates for the ensuing assembly polls. The names of 5 candidates are Khundrakpam Bhaveshwar of Bishnupur, Thangzamang Haukip of Saikul, T.K. Sabhambai of Karong, K. Dilungheng of Tadubi, and Mathuipung Gonmei of Nungba Assembly Constituency. The party is going to file its candidates in 20 assembly constituencies. It will announce the third list of candidates very soon, it is reported. At least 2 Congress workers were hurt in an election-related clash that occurred between Congress and BJP workers last night in Mayang Imphal Assembly constituency. 4 houses and 1 Mayra set were partially damaged during the clash. Police resorted to firing tear gas shells and rubber bullets in order to bring the situation under control. Some BJP workers pelted stones at the house of President of Mayang Imphal Kendra Congress Block Mahila, Chungkham Sangita at Mayang Imphal Thana Awang Lekai around 9 last night. They even took away a sum of 3 lakh rupees in cash from the house, it is reported. It is further reported that the workers attacked the Mayra set of the area and house of Chirom Babu and Saikhom Netajini by pelting stones. President Chungkham Sangita has condemned the incident. On the other hand, the BJP workers also attacked the house of Congress worker Seram Sidamichi around 10 last night. The Bloc Congress has also strongly condemned the act of attacking the office of District Congress, addressing a press conference held at the office at Mayang Imphal Market. Information Secretary T.H. Modhu said, the incident of BJP workers attacking Congress workers that involved physical assault has become rampant. He condemned it in the strongest term. One Koizam Thoiba was attacked on his head by an iron rod last night. Another Congress worker, K.H. Amo, was shot at his left leg and he is undergoing treatment at Raj Medicity. He drew attention of the authority concerned to look into the matter and take appropriate action. The 22nd death anniversary of S.H. Madhumangal was commemorated at Idol Club Tera today. S.H. Madhumangal was one of the leaders who brought the BJP in Manipur. He also had an important place in Rashtriya Savak Sangha RSS. The commemoration was organized by Sahit Madhumangal Foundation. National General Secretary Ram Madhav, wife of S.S. Madhumangal, State BJP Vice President S.A. Satyabhama, and former Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor H. Tombi, also took part in the commemoration. Floral tributes were paid to the photograph of the great leader during the commemoration. Many open that if the ideology of S.H. Madhumangal is emulated by the brave people of Manipur, the state can have a government administered only by honest people. On the other hand, National General Secretary Ram Madhav sought for a joint effort in trying to follow in the footsteps of S.H. Madhumangal. The courage of the great leader can be well known from the incident in which he compelled the assailants who came to kill him to return by asking them to simply tell him the reason of killing him. Therefore, Manipur can become a peaceful state if the ideology of great leader who chose the path of sacrifice for the betterment of the people is emulated, the National General Secretary added.
सरकार की नीतियों के अमल में भी दोष होते हैं, नीतियां सही होती है, लेकिन परिणामकारी बनाने के लिए किसी न किसी ईमानदार व्यक्ति को या ईमानदार संस्था को उसका वाहक बनना पड़ता है। क्या आप उस बात के लिए तैयार हैं? और इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि सिर्फ राजनीति को पैसे का दलदल मान लिया जाए, ये ठीक नहीं होगा।
After one of the two BJP councillors of Ningthau Municipal Council joined INC on February 7, the other one joined the party today. He was accorded a warm welcome to the party. The welcome ceremony was held at the office of the council at ward number 14. In the last election, 12 INC candidates and 2 BJP candidates were elected as councillors in 14 wards of the council. BJP councillor of ward number 7, K.A. Sonolata, joined the party on February 7, and BJP councillor of ward number 13, Khairakpam Memton, also joined the party today. Councillor T.H. Biren said the two BJP councillors joined INC due to way BJP has given ticket to its candidates. The only responsibility of BJP seems like criticizing the Congress party. What BJP has done after it boasts that they will repair the Imphal-Jiribam road in 100 days. He asked. Chairperson K. Mani said Congress will have a thumping victory in the ensuing state assembly polls.
BJP councillors ward members INC member INC
A booth-level conference for Congress was held at Kaisampat yesterday. The conference was held for women folk only. Maibam Joykisor and former additional SP T.H. Ningtham attended the conference. Roadshow of Lok Jan Shakti Party candidate K.H. Bhaveshwar of Bishnupur Assembly constituency was held today. The procession, which started from Khairakpam, passed through different places of the constituency and later converged at his residence where a rally was held. Bhaveshwar alleged that both state and central leaders of BJP have done injustice while allotting tickets. Therefore, he and 7 members who sought BJP ticket along with president of the Mandal and many workers joined LJP. Oinam Roman, who tried to contest the upcoming elections in BJP ticket in Singzamai Assembly constituency, has said that he will pledge his support for the candidate who will contesting on BJP ticket. He said this during a press meet held at Oinam Thingel. He said he will abide by the agreement made earlier and act accordingly to extend his support to the BJP candidate who is contesting in the constituency. Oinam Roman also said he has been working with BJP for more than 20 years and will continue to work for the party and serve the people.
Congress second Takiba, BJP, Yamba, Tamu Kamchanda, ticket PB, other ticket PB, Hajana, Ahana, or the water Tondina, I have BJP, Lejagani, Aduga, Yanakiba, agreement, Adugimutumina, I have Adunga,
Flag hoisting ceremony of LJP candidate of Cycle Assembly constituency Thangzamang Hockey was held at Mantripukri. National General Secretary Notice in charge Karam Siam, President of Dalit Sena R.K. Somarendra, Chairman of Tomsing Chingsang Daniel Rengmai and Chief of Langzol Lengkohao Kipgen also attended the flag hoisting ceremony. Saparmaina Village Organization and Saitu Area Gamphazon Village Organization protested in front of Gamnong Saparmaina Police Station, saying that the OC of the police station is biased in his duty. The OC allegedly stopped leaders of UPF while they were trying to organize an awareness program on Kuki political states at G Songlun village yesterday. The OC also told the village chief not to hold such awareness programs in the future. Some of the village chiefs were also detained for some time and others who had come to attend the program were asked to leave. The detained chief were released only after women folk of the area stormed the police station. Protesters demanded transfer of the OC who is against the people's interest. One-day cancer awareness cum cancer detection and free eye treatment camp organized by Rotary Club Imphal was held at Awang Potsangbam Kunuk today. Spectacles were also distributed to the residents in the camp. Various specialties like gynae, head and neck oncology, pediatrics, eye and surgery were made available to the residents as part of the health camp. Head Professor of RIMS Radiology Department, Dr. T.H. Tomcha gave awareness on early detection of cancer and how to prevent the disease. President of Rotary Club Imphal, Rotarian L. Monoranjan said, Awang Kunuk Potsangbam is an adopted village of Rotary Club Imphal. Rotary in the Literacy Mission has been extending support to Rotary Club Imphal to develop the village. As part of
cancer
medical health camp is being organized, he added.
Cancer hai balena se karmaina lakpano aduga karmaina masi prevent tawgadagi habigi matangda akoi cancer gi expert doctors mayamna hariba program asi manungda wangda mayamda tahan biri bani.
One-day workshop for media and elected members based on cybercrime was held at National Institute of Electronic and Information Technology, NILIT, Akampat. Executive Director of NILIT, T.H. Prameshwar, SIO and HC of Manipur, K.H. Rajan, President of Amju W. Samjai and President of Editors Guild, A. Movie attended the workshop. Resource persons, Additional SP Bishnupur Police, Victoria Yenkom, Additional SP of Imphal West, Dr. Sarangthem Ibomcha, Executive Director of NILIT, T.H. Prameshwar, Joint Director Angam Bubo and Joint Director Laishram Siam Kumar spoke in length about cybercrime. Additional SP Victoria Yenkom related the incidents of cybercrime in Bishnupur district and drew the attention of the people to be careful from such incidents. Additional SP Dr. Sarangthem Ibomsa said, even though Manipur is a small state, cybercrime occurs frequently. Northeastern states have various machineries to control cybercrime, but Manipur still does not have cybercrime laboratories yet. The present strength helped enable to achieve success in preventing such crimes. Out of 379 crimes that occurred last year, 232 cases have been solved. Cybercrime mostly happens among the youths and its individuals should maintain their confidentiality properly and should not share important data to unknown person, he added.
Aduna kitang yengbiraga koigi any Facebook that hangbiraga su WhatsApp ta sanga su privacy have kalam de sangbiro besi phanna thamaga su aho hom nei nebo kanogi hanumana lankar satpada koi haying olaga paisam na bagi ama kanona bisakamana semamedo adumaina aho bode dum nei nebo aduna maximum aho bolaitana ba adu simbiba.
An exposure tour of Pradhan and Jilla Parishad members for Sikkim was flagged off by Director K. Syam Sundar today. The team was flagged off from State Institute of Panchayat Complex, Parampat, where Advisor Professor Mahendra also attended the function. Officials of the department and 80 local body members participated in the tour. Professor Mahendra said the tour was organized by the Parishad under the supervision of Rural Development Department to gain knowledge from Sikkim, which is the most skilled state in India in the field of Panchayat administration. Therefore, the main objective of the tour is to gain improvement in Panchayat administration in the state, he added.
Exposure visit sigi implication artha only. Amana, I local bodies में हम सिंसे रोले रहेगी प्रधान आदि जिला परिषद के मेंबर्स एक competitive spirit अमा develop तो उसी मणिपुर स्टेट की डिपार्टमेंट ना हादी SID डिपार्टमेंट से न यामना पामी यहाँ ला मतलब principle of competition is the must for development.
Before we conclude, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. CLP MIT resolves to declare UNC as unlawful organization, asks centers to approve it. And after resigning from Congress, ex-Minister Phumza Thang Tonsing to contest polls on NPP ticket. That's all for now. Thank you so much for being with us.